Hi, I am Swati, working as a assistant professor in the Department of Mathematics, Bharathiar Arts and Science College for Women at Deviakurchi. In this video, we are going to discuss about the definition of discrete mathematics. Now we see the first definition of statement. A statement is a declarative sentence which has one and only one of the possible values called truth values. These true truth values are true and false and are denoted by the symbols 1 and 0. Example: Lotus is the national flower. True 1. Sun rises in the west. False 0. Atomic statement. The statements which do not contain any of the connectives are called atomic statement. Example: It is my book. Rose is a flower. Next, negation. The negation of a statement is generally formed by introducing the word not at a place in the statement. If P is denoted a statement, then the negation of P is written as negation P or not P or negation P. If the truth value of P is false, then the truth value of negation P is true. Example: P. London is a city. Negation P. London is a not city. Truth table of negation. P. True false. Negation P. False true. Next, conjunction. The conjunction of two statements P and Q is the statement P and Q, which is read as P and Q. The statement P and Q has the truth value true whenever both P and Q truth value true, otherwise it has a truth value false. Example: P. It is reading today. Q. There are 20 tables in this room. P and Q. It is reading today and there are 20 tables in this room. R. P and Q. Jack and Jill went up the hill. P. Jack went up the hill. Q. Jill went up the hill. True table for the conjunction. P. True true false false. Q. True false true false. P and Q. True false false false. Disjunction. The disjunction of two statements P and Q is the statement P or Q, which is read as P or Q. The statement P or Q has the truth value false only when both P and Q have the truth value false, otherwise it is a true. Example: P. I shall buy a car. Q. I shall buy a bike. P or Q. I shall buy a car or bike. Truth table for disjunction. P. True true false false. Q. True false true false. P or Q. True 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 false. Next, conditional statement. If P and Q are any two statements, then the statements P conditional Q, which is read as if P then Q, is called a conditional statement. The statement P conditional Q has a truth value false when Q has a truth value false and P the truth value true, otherwise it has a truth value true. The statement P is called the antecedent and Q the consecutive in P conditional Q. Example: consider the statement P. If rains, Q, it will be a holiday. P conditional Q. If rains, then it will be a holiday. Truth table for conditional statement. P true true false false. Q true false true false. P conditional Q true false true true. Problems. If either John takes calculus or Vinod takes sociology, then Kalai will take English. Solution. P. John takes calculus. Q. Vinod takes sociology. Or Kalai takes English. The symbolic form is P or Q, conditional or. Next problem. Write in symbolic from the statement. The crab will be destroyed if there is a food. Solution. Let the crab will be destroyed. Q. There is a food. It is better to rewrite the given statement as if there is a food, then the crab will be destroyed. The symbolic form is Q conditional P. Next, biconditional statement. If P and Q are any two statements, then the statement P biconditional Q, which is read as P if and only if Q, and abbreviated as P if and only if Q, is called a biconditional statement. The statement P biconditional Q has the truth value true whenever both P and have identical truth values. The statement P biconditional Q is also translated as P is necessary and sufficient for Q. Example P. You will get a first class. Q. You get 60% of marks. P biconditional Q. You will get a first class. P if and only if Q. You get 60% of marks. Truth table for biconditional statement. P true true false false. Q true false true false. P biconditional Q true false false true. Next, well-formed formulas. A statement formula is an expression which is a string conjunction of variables, parentheses, and connective symbols. A well-formed formula can be generated by the following rules. First, a statement variable standing alone is a well-formed formula. Second, if A is a well-formed formula, then negation A is a well-formed formula. Third, if A and B are well-formed formula, then A and B, A or B, A conditional B and A biconditional B are well-formed formula. Example, negation P and Q, negation P or Q, P conditional P or Q, P conditional Q conditional R. Tautology, a statement formula which is true regardless of the truth values of the statement which replace in the variable in it is called a universally valid formula or a tautology or a logical truth. Example, P true false, negation P false true, P or negation P true true, P or negation P is a tautology. Contradiction, a statement formula which is false regardless of the truth values of the statements which replaced variable in it is called a contradiction. Example, P true false, negation P false true, P and negation P false false, P and negation P is a contradiction. Thank you.